Dent coin holder, and this video I have very important update for all Dent coin holder. But my friend, in this time the prediction is also very important, so I also, my friend, is going to predicate this coin to understand you better. Now I already predicate this coin, my friends, but I just want my friends to predicate live now to you will also better understand to how is it possible to they will give you a profit. Now let's get started this brand video, but kindly if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright my brother, as you can see here from last 7 days my friend, this coin will take a very big dump, but after that you can see where they will completely fails down and moving and same condition now. Not bad my friends, but don't worry my friend, I am 100% sure to upcoming time Dent coin will give you a very good profit. Dent coin will pump up, and the reason my friend, the reason was simple. Now to the short term investor, they are starting holding, they cannot starting selling, and absolutely there is a chance so they will get a very good profit now. So if you want to get a profit my friends, so kindly holders don't starting selling in those days. I will give you guarantee my friends to if you not starting selling, if you are just only hold now, so I will give you 100% guarantee to you will get a very amazing profit now. So first of all, this is very important to you will understand my friends, so this is not a selling time. I recommend you, I this is, remember to not a financial video, please, I just advise you, and my advice for all of you now to please hold it now. I am 100% sure to upcoming time my friend, upcoming days Dent coin is going to be go in the moon now, and they will make you millionaire now. See you next time holder, please like video and also don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.